Hello kids, how are you all? So glad to see you all again. So, you all are ready? Yes, I can see you all are ready with the material as always, isn't it? Yes, even I am ready. I am so happy to see you all like you. Okay? So children, you all are eager now. What we are going to make today? Okay, I'll just show you. Okay. Just have a look. What is this? Yeah, can you say what is this? Yeah, of course this is painting. I can say that. But what is something special about this painting? Can you tell me? Yes, this is watercolor doodling. That's right. So, what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn watercolor doodling. Yes, we are going to use watercolor first and then we will do doodling and that will make our today's session watercolor doodling. Okay. So, you all are happy that we are learning. Again, we are going to learn something new as always, isn't it? That's right. See, so many children are still joining, na? So we will wait for them. But let's move to the workstation and we will talk about our project today. Let's talk about the water doodling and then we will start our session. Okay, so let's go on the workstation and see what I'm telling you. Okay, see, this is the thing we are going to make. Can you see this? Yes. So all these colors, na? They are watercolor and inside this what I will just show you from little bit nearby so that you can have a look. See, we had made designs in all the colors. Can you see this? All different designs. This is called doodling. Yes, all this. Actually, you know what doodling is? Doodling, it's said that with the help of doodling, you can just relax yourself. Doodling helps you to relax. When you are too much stressed, and if you do doodling, you get relaxation. So let's find out if it helps like that or not. Okay. So see, this is the color which we have used with watercolor or poster color. You can go for it. Okay, that's right. And all this black now we have taken with this gel pen. Oh, I'll tell you the material, don't worry. But just have a look. I just want to show you what the thing we are going to learn today. This small designs now, this is called doodling. This is we are going to make today. That's right. You can see all different. So many trees I have made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can make as many as you want. But we will make different design in each of the color. Yes, and that is doodling. Okay. So this is what we are going to make today. That's right. So are you all happy? Are you all eager? Excited? That's right. Okay, even I'm happy to see you all with the material ready in your hands. Okay. Okay. So I hope now you all know what watercolor doodling is. Little, na? No worries. By the end of session, you will know actually what we are going to make today and what we are going to learn today. That's right. Okay. So this is watercolor doodling. Okay. I'll just keep this aside and I'll tell you the material what we will need today. Okay. Okay. See, I have taken one A4 size of sheet. Yes, as always, this is the comfortable size. So I always take this sheet. Okay, size. But here again, let me tell you that you can take your drawing book also. You can take some little small or big size also. Because here size of sheet don't matter. Here the art will matter. The art which we will learn today, that is watercolor doodling, that matters. Okay, so the size of paper or the thickness of paper don't matter. So you can take any size, you can take any thickness also. Even if it is little thick, you can go for it. If it is thin, you can go for it. Okay, yeah, you can take your drawing notebook also. No worries at all. That's right. So just take one sheet. Okay, I have taken few watercolors. Just have a look. Yes, all the bright colors I have taken. Red, This is little pink, pinkish red, light orange, dark orange, yellow, light green, light blue, dark blue. And one most important thing, I have taken golden color of acrylic. Yes, Fevicryl, na acrylic golden color. Yes. So if you have acrylic golden color, go for it. But if at all you don't have, just don't worry. This is just to increase the beauty of our painting. That's all. Okay. If you don't have, there is nothing to worry about that. Okay. Okay. Other than this, I have taken one ruler, one gel pen. Yeah. With a fine point. Just have a look. Such a fine point I have taken. Okay. We want this type of point only. This is gel pen, waterproof gel pen, okay? And a brush, that's right. We don't need too thin brush, dear. A glass of water so that we can wash our brush, and rough kerchief so that we can dry our brush whenever we wash it. Okay, so this much only we need today. So I hope you all are having these colors. That's right. I can see from here you are all so much color, so many colors you are having. That's very nice, dear. Wonderful, wonderful. So you all are ready with the colors, brush, sheets and all. Okay, wonderful. So we can go for the painting now. Okay. So I'll just give a fast recap because I can see few children are joining. And we don't want them to be confused, na? That's why. Okay, I'll just give a fast recap. See, I have taken one A4 size of sheet. Yes, dear, you can go for any size. You can take your drawing book also. One ruler, all bright colors, poster colors, watercolors, whatever is available to you. One black gel pen with a very, very fine point. That's right. One brush. We don't need too thick, thin brush. Little bit thick is perfectly fine. And a glass of water. Okay. Yes, of course we need a rough kerchief so that we can dry our brush whenever we wash it. Okay. That's right. Okay. So let's start our session now. Okay, dear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So let's get started, dear. Let's open our all colors so that we can make our painting nicely. And you can go one by one and you don't have to stop in between. So I'm just taking all the bright colors. As I told you, pink, red, orange, light green, yellow, blue. See, if any other color you have and you want to go for that, you can just take it. As I always say, it's your painting, it's your masterpiece and you are the master. So you have to decide which color you will take, okay? But if you get confused, then you can follow me also, okay? That's right. So just get ready with your colors and we will start our work. That's right, okay? So you all children are so curious to make the thing, na? That's right. Even I am happy to be with you. Okay, let's start, dear. Okay, so what we will do, we will take very less water. Let me make it clear. We won't take too much of water because we want our color to dry very fast. Because once the color dries up, then we can doodle it. Before it, we cannot do doodling. So the main purpose is, the main thing we want to learn today is doodling. So we want our colors to dry very fast, and for that, it's necessary that you take very less water. Okay. So I will suggest you to take very less water, only that much which is needed to make the color, you take that much only. Okay, let's start there. So I'm taking first little dark red, or you can say pinkish. Okay. Okay, so just do like this. Yes, you can make oval shape randomly. And even if you want to make some other shape, you can go for it. No worries at all. You want to make triangle, you can make. You want to make oval shape, you can make. Okay. So just with the minimum use of water, make Oval shape. Yes, I told you dear, you can change the color. You can go for any color. I would suggest go for little bright color today because we want to make our trees look beautiful with bright colors. Okay, so just take the bright color. Whichever you take is okay, no problem. Just go for the bright color, and that is the only thing I would suggest. Okay, that's right. You can change this. I will just show you one more shape afterwards. You can make triangle also, long triangle. See, I am just removing the extra water so that the color will dry little faster. Okay, so all the extra color, all the extra water, I'm just removing from our paper. Yes, we want our color to dry fast, and that is the reason we are using very less water. So once you color, just remove the extra water so that you get a dry color oval shape. Okay, that's right. Yes, yes, the size of oval can be little big or small according to your own choice, according to your hand. No worries at all. But before changing the color, wash your brush properly. Because if you won't wash your brush properly, the other color will be just mess up of the previous one. Okay, so just wash your color brush and dry it properly. That's right. This oval shape can be little big or small. Just don't worry about the size. Okay. Okay. So now, as I told you, we can take some other shape also. Let's go for the triangle. Okay. Like this. This is the shape I am taking in the orange color. So you can just go for another oval also. You can take this type of shape also. No worries at all. Even if you want to take some other shape, you can take it, okay? But the only thing you have to remember is less water. That's right. So just keep on using very less water. We don't want too much of water. That's the basic thing I want to tell you. And that is the reason I'm repeating it again and again. See, once the color is done, I'm removing all the extra water. So, one more color shape is ready, okay? Okay. Yes, dear, as I told you, you can make little big or small. It's perfectly fine. Not to worry at all. That's right. Okay. So now we will go for the third. Let's make some other shape now. What we will do? We will make circle now. Okay, let's make circle. So I'm taking the red color. And this time we will make a circle. Yes, you can repeat the shape, dear. Even I am going to repeat it. Yes, yes. There is no worry. You can change the color. You can change the shape. You can repeat the shape. There is no at all hard and fast anything about this that you have to go like this only. This is only a suggestion I am giving you. You can follow this. You can use your imagination also and change something according to your choice also. That's right. So if you are confused, you can just follow my color and my shapes, okay? That's right. So don't get confused. If you are comfortable, change the color, change the shape. If you are not comfortable, just follow me. See, once the color is done, I'm removing the extra color, extra water. So you can see these two already are getting dried up because we remove all the extra water. So that is the reason I'm telling you that just remove extra water once you finish the shape with the color. So the third color, the third shape is also ready. Okay. So shall we move? Okay, okay. Just finish this. Yes, yes, yes. I'm waiting. Don't worry. Once I'm sure that you all have done it, then only I'll proceed. Okay? Okay, okay. Just remove the extra water. Yes, then only you will be comfortable in doing doodling. Yes. Okay. So now let's go for the third color. Let's take now yellow color. Okay, let's take yellow color. So now what we will shape, which shape we will take? Let's make one oval again. Okay. So with the help of yellow color, I'm making the oval shape. I'm repeating the shape now. Yes, if you feel like making triangle, you can go for that. Once we are done with the colors, we will just make few shape overlapping each other. But before that, the color should dried up. Okay. Because if the color is wet, we cannot overlap it. We are waiting for colors to dry up. Then only we will overlap the shapes. Okay. That's right. So I'm just removing the extra water as I am telling you again and again. Just make the shape and fill the color and then remove the extra water. You have to make the shapes directly with the brush. You don't have to draw it first, okay? So slowly give the shape. If the shapes are here and there, you need not to worry at all. Yes, yes, it's total free hand. So don't worry at all that my shape is not perfect. You don't want perfect shape. Yes, thus don't worry. This is just the little estimation that this type of shapes look good. That's only thing we want to tell you. That's why. So just be comfortable and try to make the shapes with your hand freely, okay? That's right. So just remove the extra water. and let the color dry fast. Okay. So now we are done with 4 colors. Can you see this? That's right. So let's go for the next one. What we will take now? Let's take the light green color. Okay. Now see, this was little bit long triangle. Now let's make some different kind of triangle. Let's make like this. Okay. Yes. This is triangle, but it looks different, na? That's right. So just use your imagination and try to make new shapes with all different colors. Yeah, that will make your painting more beautiful. I know you can do more colors. You can make more shapes with new colors as always. Okay. So just don't worry and keep making shapes with very less water and color. See, I'm just removing the extra water. You can see this? So this is triangle, but the shape are so different. Just have a look, isn't it? Yes, that is the thing I wanted to tell you, that you can make as many shapes as you can. See, now the colors which we have done previously, they are little dried up. So we can make one shape overlapping them also. Okay, so let's take green color only and let's make one shape. Just take very less water, okay? Then only you can make a beautiful shape. So what we will do, we will make a shape here. See, like this. So this is overlapping the orange one. Yeah, you can make wherever you want. Wherever you find space, you can make one tree overlapping each other. You can make one shape rather, I say. Yes, yes, we will make them tree afterwards. When we will do doodling, that time we will make the shape of tree. Right now, so they are different shapes only, okay? So just make a shape like this. And remove all the extra water like before. Okay. So now let's go for the another color. Shall we proceed, dear? Okay, let's make one dark green color now. Okay. So what we will do? We'll make one big oval shape. We want all trees with different shapes, na? So just give different difference in each and every shape. Yes, yes, yes. That is the main thing we will do in this painting, okay? Keep on changing the shapes little bit also. That's the only thing we want here. Small difference will make the change in the shape, okay? See, even this was oval, but this was little less in length and this is little big in length. So that is the difference, okay? So just do like this. And again, just remove the extra water. I'm just making it little dark, dear. I'm not putting water. I'm just making it little dark because we want to show little different than the previous one, na? That is the reason I'm making it little dark. Because when I removed the water, it became light. So I just took little more green color to make the dark color. Okay, so now you can see this is looking little dark one. Now with the help of this green color, what we will do, we will make few small leaves also like this, randomly. Yes, with very less water. Again the same thing, I'm repeating it, okay? Yes. So I made two bunch of leaves like this with this green color. You can make anywhere on the paper, wherever you feel like making. So just make the shape dry and then we will proceed with the next color, okay? Okay, so I'm done with this color also. You all are with me now? That's right. Okay, I'm going slow only, dear, don't worry. And even if you make some less shapes, it's perfectly fine. There is no need to make the shapes same like me. You can make different number of shapes, other with some other colors, with some other size. Okay, now I am going for the blue one. That's right, I'm taking the light blue color. Okay, let's make one circle like this. So just I'll show you, see, all different shapes with different colors and with very less water. Once we are done with the color part, then we will go for doodling, okay? That's right. Now, what we'll do, we'll make few dots with this color. You can use any color and make few dots like this also. See, so many colors we have used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors we have used. Okay. So, few one or two colors still we are having. We can go for that also. Let's make the light orange color. Okay. I am taking the light orange color. Yes, the first one was a little bit dark. Now let's take the lighter version. Just wash your brush properly because when we change the color, we need to wash it. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll make one triangle with some different dimensions. Just look at this. This was little thin, this is little thick. Okay. Just have a look. See, this was little lighter, na? That's why. If you don't want to take light one, just ignore it, okay? Yeah, even I am feeling that this is lighter, so let's give some shade in this. We don't want this light. So I'm just putting a little red inside this, so it will be pinkish, okay? I told you, na, we don't want too light color. We want little dark colors. We want all the bright colors, na? So I'm just changing, I'm just adding little red in this so that we get a pink color. So just make the one more shape and just remove the extra water. See, now it's looking dark, isn't it? Now it's not looking so light. That's right. Okay. So I'm ready with the pink shade also. Now I'm just washing my brush again and let's do one more shape. Last. I'm taking the dark blue color. Okay. The last one. Let's make some different shape. What shape we will do? We'll make a shape. I'll just show you. Oval, but this way. Okay, yes. So again one new shape came, na? That's right. As I'm telling you, we'll keep on changing the shapes one by one. If you're not comfortable with the shapes, you can go for any shape which is comfortable to you. Okay, that's right. So don't worry about the shapes that you cannot draw like this. You can make shapes of your choice also. It's perfectly fine, not to worry at all. Okay, and again we will make few leaves like this. Just make randomly. Okay. Mm. Okay. So I think now we are done with all the colors. Now our paper is also now covered with all the shapes. Just have a look. Full paper is covered with all different shapes. So many beautiful white, bright colors we have made, different shapes. Okay. So now what we will do, we'll just put this color aside so that our colors will get time to dry up also and we will get the space to doodle also. Okay. So just I'm putting all the colors aside. Also you also just remove all the colors aside and put in the corner so that you cannot mess up with the color and water and all. We want space while doing doodling. Okay, so just put them aside. Yes, I'm just waiting my colors to dry up. Okay, yes, I have put very less water so they will dry within a minute. You don't have to worry at all. And that is the reason I was telling you again and again to dry the shape once you have done the color part. Okay, let's see if there is any other water part. I'll just remove it so that the color dries up very fast. Okay. Okay. So now all the colors are ready. So children, I hope you all have done with the colors and shapes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now you are having the golden color. Yes, I told you, na, it's a Fevicryl, acrylic color, golden. So what we will do, we'll just take little of color and we will put in the dark shade. We can put in the blue. We'll make leaf like this. I'll just show you, don't worry. See, in any one color, you can make leaves like this. This is the thing we have started, what we call doodling, okay? Yes, the only one in one tree we have made with this golden color. Otherwise, we will use our gel pen. Yes, just to give something different in the color. That is the thing, okay? And we have done this in starting so that it will dry up, okay? That is the reason, okay? So now let's do the doodling part. Take the gel pen and see if your color is dried up or not. If it is little bit wet, wait for time and just go for the one which is dried up. See, these were the previous one we have done, so they are all dried up. So what we will do, we'll make line like this. There is no need to make a straight line. A bit here and there is perfectly fine, okay? That's right. Just make line like this. We want to show that these are the trees and they are all standing in a row. Okay? And these are few leaves. That's what we want to show. So just make line like this below each of the shape. Just have a look. See, all the shapes I made line below that. We want to show them, we will change these shapes now into trees, okay? They will look like trees now, as if they are all trees. So we will do doodling and they will convert them in the trees, okay? That's right. So here comes the doodling part. Now I will show you on one paper with some big figures so that it becomes easy for you to make it. See, I'll just show you with markers. Okay. See, suppose this is a tree. Okay. So what we will do, we will make leaves like this. See, suppose we made line. So we will make leaf like this. Like this, okay. This is big. Our trees are little small. So we will use gel pen and we will make small leaves. This is the thing we are going to make. I'll just show you in this also. This is, I'm showing you how we are going to make with little big version, okay. So that you get to know what we are going to make in our trees with the gel pen, that is called doodling, okay. So just have a look. Don't worry, I'll show you from near also. Then you can have a look properly. Just wait. See, I made line like this. This one was dried up, so I started from this. This was the first color we used, na? So it is fully dried up. So now you can go for this. Okay. So make line like this. If you want to make line some other way, you can do it that also. Okay. So now what we will do, we will make some new shapes inside this also. You can make any type of shapes you want. That is the beauty of doodling, dear. You can change the shapes. You can mold the shapes. Just have a look. Can you see this? So this is the oval shape. We made leaves inside it. We did doodling in this and it is converted into a tree now. Now it's looking like a tree. Okay. Similar way, what we will do here, we will just make outline like this. We don't want the perfect outline. Okay. We just want to make black lines around the color. There is no need to draw exactly around the color. You just have to give little bit of outline. That is the only thing. Just have a look. Okay. So shall we go for the second one? You all have finished one color? Good. You all are so smart. You do fast. Okay. I made one line like this. Okay. So just have a look what I made here. Can you see this? Yes, this is the reason I was telling you to use gel pen with very fine point. Because then only you can make small things. Yes, once you are done with this, it will look beautiful. That's right. Okay. Okay. Now this smalls, now what we will make? We will just make a round around them. We do not want to trace it exactly according to color. Just make small rounds so that they looks beautiful. Okay. Okay. And you can just make a shape like this. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. Are you all done? Yes, I can see you all are so smart. You do it fast, na? Yes. You can change the shape also. No worries at all. Okay. Let's make something different now. So we will take some new shape in this color. See, every tree, they have different kind of leaves. They have different kind of shape. And that is the thing we are going to show in this painting. We want to show that all the trees have different shapes, different color, different kind of leaves. That's right. So I'll just show you. See what made I in this tree. I made shape like this. So once you will start this doing work now, then you always will feel like finding new shapes, and you will feel so happy when you will find some new shape, isn't it? Yes. So just try to find new shapes and doodle in one shape. That's right. Let's find something new again, dear. Like this. Okay. And then let's make line like this. Okay. So just have a look. I made only lines. Yeah, this was the shape little bit similar to Christmas tree, na? So I made line like this. Yes. So just give imaginations a boost and draw designs according to your imagination. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do? Let's find something new. Okay? Yes. So I want to see all of you with many different designs in your shapes and colors, and beautiful doodling I want to see in your trees. I want to see better designs than mine. Yes, see. Okay, and this only we have done with the golden color. So just have a look. We are going one by one with different shapes doodling. Okay, here also what we will do, we will make circle like this. Okay, that's right. So small all the shapes now. Just make the black color gel pen around them, press it like this, and they will look so beautiful. I'll just show you, don't worry. You don't have to trace it exactly around the shape. Just have a look. Okay. This will give you a beautiful picture. So can you see this? One by one, all the trees are looking so beautiful. That's right. Okay. So shall I proceed, dear? Okay. So let's see what next we will make. Again, we will make one new shape. Yes, even I want to see what new shapes you are making. So just try to find out new shapes. I want all of you to make new doodles, okay? These are all doodles we are making. So just have a look. See, this one is again new shape. So just keep on doodling with different shapes and make your picture look beautiful. Okay. So now you can see all till we did here, these colors are also dried up and we can do the doodling properly. So this is the reason I was telling you again and again to use less water. If we use more water, then it becomes very difficult for us to work further, okay? Yes, now 3 more trees are there. We have to make new shapes. We have to make new doodles in them. Okay, so let's do something new again. Okay, what we will do? Just keep on making some shapes which looks beautiful also, okay? I want new doodles in your picture. You can make as many doodles as you want. Just look at this. Again, a new shape. So just have a look. All the trees are having different doodles in them. Isn't it? That's right. Okay, so still 2 more are there. And you have to think of new thing. Okay, let's do something new again. Just have a look. See, I made one shape. Okay. So one more shape is ready. So now only one remains. See, this is little dark one, no? So if we will use our black pen in this, it won't be visible. So what we will do, we will use our golden color. Yes, then it will be visible in it. That's right. So let's use the golden color so that we can make something beautiful in that. Okay, so you have to think of new shape again. What we will do? Just keep on making. I took this color because this was little dark one and the black color was not visible in this. That's why, okay? That's why I took the golden color. So now you can see it is visible properly. You can make few circles around this with your golden color. Just make few circles. Okay. Okay. Now all the trees are ready with all the doodles in them. You can just have a look. See all different trees. They're having different doodles in them. Okay. Yes. Now we want to give little the final shape to our trees. So what we will do, we will take our gel pen and we will make few branches in this tree. Okay. That's right. We will in some we will make different type of branch, in some we will make other type of branch like this. Okay. So just make few branches sort of shapes in them with different leaves like this. I'll just show you, don't worry. Like this, just keep on making few branches or leaves in each stem. Okay, you can make with your own imagination, not to worry at all. And there is no particular way in which you have to make it. Just use your imagination and just make few leaves on all the stem. Just the way you made doodle, in that way only you have to make leaves also in different shapes. I'll just show you, don't worry. See, here I made like this. Here I made like this. So in all the trees, just make few branch sort of, leaf sort of shapes to show the difference in all the trees. Okay, that's right. So just look at this. Can you see this? All the trees with different colors, with different shape, with different size, and with different doodles. So many things we have made different. And at last, we got such a beautiful picture in our hand. Okay, now I want to show you last one thing. See, once you finish the picture, now if you wish, you can make outline like this. But this is totally upon you. If you want to make a line like this, you can go for it. That is not compulsory. That is totally on you if you want it. Okay, that's right. So this is how you can make the line. See, here I have not made, here I have made. So if you feel that this looks more proper, it looks more beautiful, then you can go for this. And if you feel no, this is looking better, you can go for this. So it's totally on you what you want to make your picture look alike. Okay, okay. So now I think we have finished our doodling part. So now the best part, we will show our pictures to each other. Okay, so it's time. We will show the picture what we made today. So just have a look. It's looking so beautiful. Just wonderful. That's right. Okay, okay. See, all the trees are looking different in shape, size, color, and leaves, and still together. Okay, that's right. So now I am so eager to see your work. So just show me on the screen. I will love to see it. Okay, okay. That's nice. Wonderful, wonderful. So I told you, na, you all are better than me. You can all do always better than me. That's nice. You all have taken wonderful colors. Even the shapes you have used in doodling are wonderful. So I will suggest you one thing. Try to make this type of work with some different shapes, with some different doodles, and try to doodle more. You will have fun, I assure you. That's right. So please children, those who have finished, show me. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Awesome, awesome. Just wonderful. Yes, I can see you all enjoyed this work so nicely. Yes, the happiness on your face can tell me that you had a nice time doing doodling, isn't it? That's right, that's right. I'm so happy that you all had fun during this session, okay? Okay. I must say you all have done wonderful job, dear. I hope you had enjoyed, you had nice time, you had fun. Okay, even I was so happy to be with you. So nice that you all are here. Keep posting your pics on the Instagram and Facebook. Yes, yes, and keep trying this type of art more and more so you have fun. Keep doing drawing. Until then, bye dear.